What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Temu account permanently if you want to, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to delete account? Well, go to U option and go to the settings. So you can sign out easily and so on and so forth, but you want to delete your account. So let's just do this quite an easy way. Delete Temu account. So basically, no, we selected the wrong app. Sorry guys, just a second. Temu account. So can I permanently delete Temu account? First, let's answer this question. To delete your Temu account, you can either use the Temu app or visit temu.com and follow the instructions. So in the Temu app, you can log in to your account and click on the user avatar located at the bottom of the screen. Click on settings, go to account security, and you can just delete your account. So let's do this process together. So when you go to U option in the bottom of the screen, and when you go to settings, which is the last option on the screen, then go to account security, and we are having some options over here, but the last one is delete your Temu account. So how to delete Temu account? Dear Temu customer, if you wish to permanently delete account, please know that all data and contact in your account will be deleted forever and may not be recovered. This includes communication records, files, and so on and so forth. Before permanently deleting account, we recommend you that you do review of your account one more time and confirm that all infos in your account can be deleted forever. Please make sure to save any information in your account that you need for your records. Check that there are no incomplete or post-sale orders or ongoing processes in your account, as you will not have access to them after you delete it. And use any available coupons and credits before deleting your account, as they will not be available anymore. So I want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data. Press continue. Please select the main reason for deleting account. Basically, let's say I don't want to provide a reason, then go continue. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Delete. Basically, I can verify my identity. I'm gonna do it off screen. So guys, quite an easy process. That's it basically. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.